No organization on Fort Benning knows more about robotic gadgets than the Maneuver Battle Lab. So when it was time for these Stowers students to learn how to explore the cosmos as part of their STEM program, pairing these junior scientists with the experts at the Battle Lab was a match made in heaven.
We actually have been exploring a lot about the Mars rover. A lot of our activities have been about how do we do a safe landing for a Mars rover. A lot of kids have engineered designs for parachutes, and they've just investigated more about unmanned devices that have been sent to Mars and why we send them there.
Today, students are using Newton's famous law of motion, and that is for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Students are using gunpowder to launch the rockets, taking note of how gravity, air resistance, and thrust affect the rocket's ability to blast off. Students then designed Stomp rockets, using air power instead of gunpowder to achieve liftoff.
When the children can actually manipulate an object and actually see it, then they learn the concepts. Just reading a passage or taking notes on a passage is not going to build that concrete knowledge. They really have to go through the actions of being engaged in some hands-on activities for them to understand it and get that abstract thinking.
The STEM program encourages students to learn through trial and error. And instead of failing, many students succeeded in learning the many ways launching rockets doesn't work.
Today, a few of the rockets didn't work out as well because the igniter wasn't hooked up right to the electric charger, or something was wrong with the wadding or something, so we just have to fix our mistakes. If something happened, it was good that it happened because then we get to learn from our mistakes to make it work next time.
The students are not afraid to fail. Like if their activity doesn't go well, they know to improve it. And a lot of times, students are afraid of failure, and in this sense it's a good thing because we're showing them that they can learn from their mistakes. 3, 2, 1,
Katie Cook, Fort Benning TV.